In this short video, I would like to introduce you to IndraDrive ML, the large electric drive solution from Bosch Rexroth. These drives may be used in applications up to 4 megawatts, and when compared to competing drives in this power class, are more efficient, more intelligent, and offer more ways to save on space requirements. Let's take a look at what makes this possible. The IndraDrive family from Bosch Rexroth optimizes energy efficiency with technologies like DC bus sharing, electric buffering, kinetic buffering, and a smart energy mode. Mains power is regenerated, which is crucial in large drives because of the large amount of energy it takes for accelerating and braking. Bus sharing, or bus coupling, is enabled by a shared DC bus between the drives and through built-in drive intelligence. The power produced by decelerating motors is used by the other motors, thus decreasing the net power consumption and reducing system heat losses. With electric buffering, the system stores energy in a capacitor. Energy returned by the decelerating motor is captured via the intelligent power supply and is available when required. This can also be tied into the shared DC bus. The IndraDrive ML's Smart Energy Mode provides intelligent control of the DC bus voltage. This minimizes the line power peaks, thereby averaging out the mains power to reduce the energy costs and additional losses. Of course, the entire Rexroth IndraDrive family employs such intelligence, but in high wattage applications, smart energy management can mean significant cost reductions in terms of dollars. Kinetic buffering uses a motor with a flywheel for energy storage. When the motor requires energy, the flywheel slows down and gives the energy to the motor. When the motor is generating energy, the flywheel speeds up and stores that energy. IndraDrive technology also regulates reactive current in order to synchronize the current with the voltage. This control helps utilize power componentry more efficiently, reducing their overall size and, of course, reducing energy costs. The active regen power supply of the IndraDrive ML returns energy generated by the motor back to the mains, which helps to conserve energy, especially when generating energy for extended periods of time. In addition to all of its energy-efficient attributes, the ML drive family's modular design features a function-neutral universal inverter that is sure to save space and investment costs. It may also be referred to as a power section because of its broader capability. The ML drive power section can be used as a power supply or a motor inverter. Its function is defined by the control section and firmware that is installed on the power section. This means a single unit can serve as a spare or stock to fulfill multiple needs. Minimizing product variance helps reduce traditional costs associated with handling and stocking. Let's examine how the universal design allows the power section to be used in single applications or in parallel. In single applications, it can be used as a motor inverter or as a power supply for up to 500 kilowatts. Now, if we put them in parallel, we can have up to 4 megawatts of power. We also have flexibility within the configuration because the section can serve as a master or slave in the parallel arrangements. Intelligence for energy efficiency is important, but in the ML drive family, there is also intelligence built in for motion logic, safety, and connectivity for multiple communication protocols. Motion logic allows for different ways to employ the drive. If the drive is required to perform a certain task, logic can be built in to do only that task, which reduces the burden on the high-level control. Or, we can have the motion task running on the drive. This drive can have up to 9 slaves connected with circuits, all synchronized for a total of 10 axes controlled by one drive. And this master drive can be connected to a high-level controller if necessary. Safety onboard intelligence includes safe torque off. The STO signals are connected directly to the drive, which will go into a safe state once those signals are received. Based on this, we can have different safety zones depending on which signals are received by the drive. Safe motion is also supported. With safe motion, all of the signals are going through the Ethernet channel. That channel can be SIP safety over Circos, safety over EtherCAT, or ProfiSafe over ProfiNet. The advantage here is the non-safe and the safe data is all running over one Ethernet channel, so the control knows what is going on at all times and reduces your wiring for safety. The ML Drive family supports multi-Ethernet protocols. Included are Circos, the automation bus, Ethernet IP, Profinet, EtherCAT, PowerLink, and field bus connectivity like Profibus and CAN Open. And the drives have a multi-encoder that can support various encoder types and can be used with any motor from Bosch Rexroth or any third party. We hope you learned a lot from this short video. To learn more, please visit boschrexroth-us.com/ML drives or call 1-800-REXROTH and ask to be directed to the Electric Drives and Control Division.